Welcome back. The RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has landed in Jammu and Kashmir. He's on a 4-day visit and it appears that he has made a strong pitch for the Kashmiri Pandits and their dignified return. Now, at an internal meeting after he landed in Jammu yesterday, there was an internal meeting that was conducted with the former workers and veteran workers of the right-wing Hindu organization. RSS chief has said after revocation of Article 370, focus of the Sangh should be on the rehabilitation and return of the Kashmiri Pandits to the valley. Now, the BJP and the Sangh, remember, have been making strong assurances for the rehabilitation of the Hindus. But the question is, with even a government recently announcing a portal for distressed sale property to be registered and many other promises, why is there not yet a clean and a clear plan of rehabilitation? These are the visuals from the gathering that took place today in Jammu.
We are in touch with the representatives of Kashmiri Pandit organizations, Sikh organizations in Kashmir Valley, and our responsibility is to make an atmosphere where the Kashmiri Pandits willfully go to the Kashmir. Otherwise, we can't send Kashmiri Pandits to Kashmir on the mercy of terrorists and separatists.
And tracking that story is my colleague Sunil G. Bhatt is now joining us live. Sunil, there have been different promises that have come from the government, a lot of noise for the Kashmiri Pandits, but is there a clear plan? What precisely has the RSS chief said there in Jammu, and how is that being really reflected on the ground? What is the mood on the ground? What are the reactions?
Well, Pooja, RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat is on a 4-day visit to Jammu and Kashmir, and yesterday he landed in Jammu. He held several important meetings at Keshav Bhavan, which is the headquarters of the RSS in Jammu. And in one of the meetings there last evening, he said, that's what our sources are saying, that he told them that after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, now the RSS and other nationalist organizations should focus on the honorable and dignified return of the Kashmiri Pandits to the valley. And Pooja, as you said, that in the last 7 years, ever since Narendra Modi has taken over as the Prime Minister of the country, the government has been saying it time and again that they are committed to the honorable and dignified return of the Kashmir Valley. But there has not been any, blueprint from the government side that what will be the return formula. So there is ambiguity over that, and the patience of the Kashmiri Pandit community is running out because they have been saying that it has been now 7 years, but no concrete plan has been shared with them by the government, and even Prime Minister, Home Minister and other ministers who are visiting Jammu and Kashmir time and again, even they have not been, visiting the refugee camps of the Kashmiri Pandits. So the Kashmiri Pandit community is
keep tracking that, Sunil, because that's a big story. If an assurance has come, will that really change into a plan or not? Thank you very much, Sunil ji from Jammu.